Use the Shifts pane to add and update shifts for the selected rating curve. In the Field Visit table, select the measurement that is off. Hover over the measurement point to see the statistics for that point. The rating error indicates how far the measurement is off from the rating curve. Open the Shift pane, then click Add Shift. In Input, copy the value of stage, and in Shift, the value of the stage. Copy the timestamp and paste it in the start date. And if the shift is temporary, select an end date. If not, prorate the shift to the following shift. A new curve appears passing through this measurement. And don't forget to save the changes.